Hey you guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Kristen, and today I'm going to kick off this week of deals at Walgreens. Now these deals are good from today, which is October 17th, all the way until the 23rd. If you're not already subscribed, please consider being a subscriber as well as giving this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, don't be afraid to drop them down below. So for the first deal, this week, the Persil disc as well as the liquid for the Persil is on sale for $4.99. And if you buy two, you will get back $1 in Walgreens cash. Now, I'm not going to do this buy two deal. However, I am just going to pick up one at $4.99. We do have a $2 digital, dropping it down to just $2.99. So let me put this into my cart. This week, the All and Snuggle products are still on that promotion for $2.99. So I'll show you the tag right here at $2.99, and you can see right here that they're good all the way until the 23rd. So the products are the All packs and the liquid detergent, as well as some Snuggle products that are over here. So we have the dryer sheets, the fabric softener, as well as the scent shakers. Now we did receive a $1 digital coupon, which will drop it down to $1.99. What I'm going to do is throw in one of these $2 Snuggle coupons right here. That will attach to the scent boosters. Now it does expire today, which is the 17th, but it will make one of these just 99 cents. So I'm going to put this in my cart. And then I'm going to be picking up some Dawn dish liquid. So this is the 40 ounce. It is regular priced at $5.99. I have a $2 digital coupon, which is going to drop this down to $3.99. Another little dish liquid deal is going to be on the Palmolive. This is the 10 ounce size bottle. This week they are on sale for just 99 cents. And we did receive a 50-cent digital coupon, dropping it down to just 49 cents. So a nice little easy deal that anyone can do. I'm going to pick up this one, the antibacterial, and put it into my cart. This week, the 9 Elements as well as the Microban is on sale for $3.99. What I'm going to do is pick up 2 of the Microbans since I do have a digital coupon. So picking up 2, it would total out to $7.98. On my account, I have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, so it would drop me down to just paying $3.98 for both, which I don't think is bad. Yes, I know that little top is messed up, but it still works. It still sprays, so I'm going to keep it. Now, this next deal I'm pretty excited about, especially since it's starting to get cold and we have to stay moisturized, and it is on the Lubriderm. So this week, the Lubriderm products are on sale for buy one and you get one 50% off. What I'm going to do is pick up 2 of the ones priced at $7.79. So with that BOGO 50% off price, is going to total out to $11.68. In this month's IVC booklet, we received a $2 store coupon, so you can find it digitally as well as in the booklet up front. And then I do have 2 separate $2 coupons for the Lubriderm product. So then after all of those savings, it's going to drop me down to just $3.68 for 2 of these bottles, which is amazing, y'all. This is some really good lotion, so I'm really excited to pick up this deal. Alright, you guys, so this is everything for my first transaction. Now, I do have a digital spend booster. For when you spend $20, you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Now, that spend amount is counted after any store coupons, which includes those IVCs. So before coupons for this total, my total comes out to $34.62. But then after that store coupon for the IVC is going to come off twice, which is total out to $4. It drops me down to $30.62. So I'm still above the $20 threshold. I'm actually above it by $10, so I will be able to use $10 in Walgreens cash. So then after all of my digital coupons that I mentioned, as well as that $2 paper coupon for the Snuggle, it's going to drop me down to just $16.12, getting back $5 back in Walgreens cash. So $16.12, but remember, I am going to use $10 in Walgreens cash since I am at least $10 above my spend amount. So out of pocket, I'm going to be paying just the $6.12 plus tax out of pocket. So not bad, y'all. $11.12 for all these items. I don't think that alone, I don't think is bad. And then of course, out of pocket, spending $6, I'm even happier with that. So I will be getting back $5 back in Walgreens cash for that spend booster. And then I'm going to turn around and use that in a separate transaction. So for my second transaction using those $5 in Walgreens cash, I'm going to take advantage of the Arm & Hammer. So this week, the Arm & Hammer products are on promotion for buy one and you get 2 free. I love when this promotion goes on. It does include the liquid detergent, which are priced at $7.49. It also includes the scent boosters over here, which are also priced at $7.49. So one thing you need to be aware of is even though those items are priced at $7.49, the packs right here are priced at $7.99. So if you pick up any one of the Arm & Hammer packs, you will be paying $7.99 for 3 instead of $7.49 for 3, because you will pay for the higher price product. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be picking up all 3 products at $7.49. So I'm going to pick up one of the liquid detergents right here, and then I'm going to head over there and pick up 2 of the packs of the scent boosters. I'm paying $7.49, but I'm going to use those $5 in Walgreens cash. So out of pocket, I'm just going to pay $2.49 plus tax. So let me put this into my cart and we'll get right into transaction 3. So for transaction 3, I'm working with this paper booster where when you spend $25, you will get back $7 in Walgreens cash. And then I also have a digital booster on this account for when you spend $22, you will get back $5 in Walgreens cash. They will stack, so all I have to do is get my total to $25, and I will be receiving $12 back in Walgreens cash, which is already a good deal. So to kick it off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing this Oral-B deal. So Walgreens has a promotion for buy 2 and you get back $4 in Walgreens cash, and the Oral-B products are included at $3. Now usually when that deal goes around, these double packs right here, which is the Bacterial Blast double pack of the Oral-B, they are also, well, they're usually a part of this sale. So you can see, so this is the ones that Bacterial Blast. You can see right here that they are on sale for $3. So picking up 2 of them is going to total out to $6. And then I'm going to be using 2 P&G coupons to help lower my out-of-pocket. So we do have $2 coupons for the Oral-B on the double pack, which is going to drop me down to paying $2 and then getting $4 back in Walgreens cash, which will make this a $2 moneymaker. On some accounts, you may still have that $2 digital, but I've already used them on my account. Since this $2 coupon expires today, I do have some more of these. So I'm just going to do the Snuggle deal again at $2.99 and then apply that $2 coupon, making this just 99 cents. So let me pick this up and put it in my cart. I'm going to take advantage of this Arm & Hammer deal again at buy 1 get 2 free, picking up 2 of the liquid detergents and then that last little scent booster over there at $7.49. But then I have this register reward that expires today, so I don't want to lose it. So we'll drop them down to just $2.49 for all 3. So let me get my stuff and put it in my cart. On this end cap, I see that the bigger bottles of the Lubriderm are actually on sale for $8.99 instead of, I think, $9.99 that they were showing over there in the regular spot. This is a 24 ounce. So again, at the BOGO price, picking up 2 of them, that's going to total out to $13.48. On this account, I still have those same coupons. So the $2 IVC is going to apply twice. And then I have 2 separate $2 coupons. It's going to drop them down and make both of these just $5.48 for 2 big size bottles of lotion. I think, again, this is an amazing deal that I want to take advantage of. So I'm going to be picking up 2 more bottles of Lubriderm and putting these in my cart. Alright, you guys, so this is everything for this transaction on a different account. Before coupons, my total comes out to $29.96. And then after that store IVC coming off twice, for the lotion, it's going to drop me down to $25.96. Meaning that this paper booster right here for spend $25 will work along with the booster, the digital booster that I have for spend $22, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So then after all of the coupons that I mentioned, I'm going to go over them again really quickly. So I'm going to be pairing in 2 of these $2 coupons for the Oral-B. Then I have this $2 coupon for the Snuggle. And then I'm going to be throwing in this $5 register reward for the, which will attach to one of the Arm & Hammer, as well as those 2 digitals for the lotions. Now, since I am using a register reward, I did print off this $2 coupon from coupons.com that's going to attach to one of the Lubriderms just to help minimize, to make sure that that register reward is going to attach to the Arm & Hammer. So then after all those savings, it's going to drop me down to just $10.96. Since I am using a paper booster, I will be paying that out of pocket. But then I should get back a total of $16 from the 2 boosters, as well as the buy 2 get $4 back in Walgreens cash, which will make this small little money maker. If you include the register reward, then it'll just make it free. So for my last and final transaction for today, I want to take advantage of this P&G deal. So select P&G products are on sale for $3.49, buy 3 get 1 free. So I'm going to be picking up 4 different products. You want to make sure that whatever item you pick up last, that you want free, is ring up last. So what I'm going to do is pick up 1 pack of the Tide pods. I'm going to be picking up 2 bottles of the Tide liquid detergent. Then I'm going to head over down here, and I'm going to show y'all some other options that you can choose from. So you can choose between the Bounce Dryer Sheets. This is 105 count. Or the Bounce Wrinkle Guards right here. And then you can choose between the Downy Unstoppables right here. So I'm going to pick up 4 of them. That's going to total out to $13.47. So let me pick them up. Alright, you guys, so this is what I'm going to be doing for the buy 3 at $4.49 get 1 free. So all 4 of them is going to total out to $13.47. I'm going to be throwing in some dollar coupons from the P&G. So let me get them for you right here. So I'm going to be using $1 coupon for the pods, and then I also have 2 separate dollar coupons for the liquid detergent. That's going to drop me down to just $10.47. I'm going to use $10 in Walgreens cash, and I'm going to be left to pay the 47 cents plus tax out of pocket, which I don't think is bad at all. So now I'm going to get everything together, and then we're going to go over a full recap of all my items. Alright, you guys, so this is everything that I'm getting today. I am pretty excited. This is a nice little haul for me. I picked up a lot of different household items, including laundry, and then I'm really excited about the Lubriderm Lotion because I do use this product. So to get it cheap is pretty exciting. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Again, if you have any questions of anything that I went over, don't be afraid to drop them down below, and I will answer them as quickly as I can. So now I'm going to put all of these items in my cart, head up to the front, check out, and then of course, you guys already know, once I get in the car, I will debrief my receipt. So stay tuned, guys. Let me head up to the front. Alright, you guys, I'm back in the car, and it is time to go over these receipts. First things first, y'all, be looking at that screen. A lot of items were not ringing up on sale, so you're going to be seeing some modifications on these receipts. So be aware, make sure you know what your total is supposed to be before you even head up to the register. So for the first transaction, I was using at a spin boosters for spend 20, and I wanted to use $10 in Walgreens cash. So of course, to do so, I had to get my total up to at least $30 after any store coupons, which includes IVCs. So the Lubriderm Lotion, $7.79, buy 1 get 1 50% off. So you see both of the prices. This did ring up on sale. So you see the store IVC, $2 under each one, so it does come off regardless if you have that booklet or that digital coupon clip. The Palmolive on sale for 99 cents. The Snuggle did ring up for $2.99. And then here is where some hiccups were for this receipt. So the Persil, of course, is on sale for $4.99, but it was ringing up like full price. So he did have to modify it. Same thing with the microbrand spray. They were ringing up regular price, so he did have to modify. And then, of course, the Dawn dish liquid at $5.99. Here are all of my coupons. Everything came off perfectly fine. No hiccups at all. You can see all of them. So it did drop my subtotal down to $16.12 like I calculated. Since I was $10 over, I was able to use $10 in Walgreens cash. So you'll see right here that I redeemed $10 and I did get back $5 for my booster. So it works. Again, if you have confusion with this, if you are picking up a deal that has the IVC, how like this one did, you have to still account for those store store IVCs. So if you want to add up all your items and then take away the store IVCs to see what your actual spend total is that you're doing. Yeah, so everything came out right. Like I said, the only hiccups were these items where he had to modify, but it was really no biggie. And then let's just hop right into the second transaction. So for the second transaction, I wanted to use those $5 Walgreens cash and kind of like, I guess, roll it, into the Arm & Hammer deal, which is buy 1, get 2 free. They were ringing up regular price at $7.49, so he did have to modify it. So it would have been $7.49 using $5 in Walgreens cash and then paying the $2.49 plus tax out of pocket. I just wanted to lower my out of pocket, so I just added this bottled water, which including tax would have knocked me over $10. So for these 4 products, it got me to $9.78, but then including tax, it got me to $10.34. I just used $10 in Walgreens cash, no biggie for me. And then I just paid the 34 cents out of pocket. If you don't have the additional $5 in Walgreens cash, then like I said, just do how I said in the store, with just picking up 3 of them, using that $5 that you got from the first transaction and paying the $2.49 plus tax out of pocket. But yeah, so then let's go into transaction 3. Transaction 3, I had the paper spin booster for spend 25, get back $7 in Walgreens cash, and then I had that digital for spend 22 and you get $5 back in Walgreens cash. So they do stack, so I just need to get my total to $25 before coupons and after any store discounts. So I did the Lubriderm again. This one was the bigger size, so the 24 ounce at $8.99 and half off. And you can see the store IVCs taken off on both. I did the Snuggle again at $2.99, the Oral-B at $3 each, and then the Arm & Hammer deal again. So we already knew from the first transaction that he was going to modify it, so he did. And then you can see my point booster right here for the paper booster. Here are all of my coupons. So the Snuggle, the 2 Oral-Bs, the 2 Lubriderms, and then that $5 rush reward. So it dropped my total down to $10.96, like I planned. The only hiccup I had was as far as Walgreens cash. So I did get back both boosters, both Walgreens cash for the boosters, which came out to $12. The only thing I didn't get was the Walgreens cash for the Oral-B. So I'm guessing this week, the Oral-B toothbrushes, at least this double pack, is not a part of the buy 2 get $4 back in Walgreens cash. So I mean, the deal itself is still not bad, picking up each one of them for $1. But yeah, I just would have preferred getting my $4 in Walgreens cash back. So yeah, that's the only thing with that. The $3 toothpaste, that is a part of that deal, was not, the tags just showed $3. It didn't show the Walgreens cash part either. So I don't know. I did tell the cashier about the deal, and he looked at the ad, and since it said, I think, select varieties or something, he just said that I probably just picked up the wrong item, so he couldn't help me, but it's okay. So getting the $12 back, I did roll $10 in Walgreens cash into my final transaction. So let's talk about that one. And then last but not least was the final transaction doing the P&G products at buy 3 at $4.49, get the last one free. This was another item he had to modify. Everything was ringing up. Well, it was weird because the pods were ringing up $4.99. The Tide was ringing up at the $4.49 price, but the Bounce was ringing up at $6.69. It was just all over the place, $6.99 or something like that. So he went back there, he saw it, he modified it. So the math came out the same. So $13.47. I did use 3 P&G coupons, so 2 on the liquids and then 1 on the pods. So subtotal came out to $10.47, and then you can see right here I did use $10 in Walgreens cash. So I paid the 47 cents plus tax, which came out to $1.48. So a lot of modifications, but we got through it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, as well as joining the family and subscribing. I would love to have you here. And let me know if you plan on doing some shopping at Walgreens. To me, not really the hottest week, but I still was able to do some deals. So yeah, but that's all I have. I love you guys. And until next time, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.